What if I told you that one of the most powerful health tools you can own costs less than a cup of coffee and is probably hiding in the back of your kitchen cabinet, forgotten? We all know baking soda is great for making cookies rise or for cleaning a stubborn stain. But that's just scratching the surface. For most people, its story ends there. Today, we're diving into the science-backed secrets of baking soda, discoveries that show how this simple white powder can impact everything from your dental health to your athletic performance, and even the function of your vital organs. This is the information that only about 1% of people truly understand. And this isn't just folk wisdom. We'll be looking at what modern research is revealing about its incredible, and sometimes surprising, potential. So, what makes baking soda so special? In one word, balance. Our bodies work best within a very narrow pH range. You can think of it like the temperature of a perfect shower, a little too hot or a little too cold, and it becomes uncomfortable and inefficient. When parts of our body, from our blood to our mouth, become too acidic, things start to go wrong. Baking soda, known in the scientific world as sodium bicarbonate, is a natural alkaline substance. Its superpower is its remarkable ability to neutralize excess acid, gently nudging our systems back toward a healthy, balanced state. And that one simple ability is the key to all the surprising benefits we're about to uncover. So, with that simple power of balance in mind, let's unlock the 7 surprising ways you can use baking soda for your health. Number 1. For oral health. We've all experienced the sharp, irritating pain of a canker sore. These sores often thrive in an acidic environment. By neutralizing the acids in your mouth, baking soda can reduce the irritation, soothe the pain, and create an environment where the sore can heal faster. It works the same way for bad breath, as it neutralizes the odor-causing acids produced by bacteria. Here's how to use it safely. For a simple mouthwash, dissolve half a teaspoon of baking soda in half a glass of warm water. Swish it around in your mouth for about 30 seconds, then spit it out. Do not swallow it. Now for a word of caution. While this is great for occasional relief, if you have chronic bad breath or frequent sores, you should see your dentist, as it could be a sign of a deeper underlying issue. Number 2. For soothing skin irritations. Imagine the frustrating, burning itch from a mosquito bite or a bee sting. That irritation is caused by acidic compounds injected into your skin. Baking soda's alkaline nature comes to the rescue again. Here's how to use it. Create a simple paste by mixing 3 parts baking soda with 1 part water. Apply this paste directly to the affected area. It helps neutralize the irritants and provides a cooling, soothing sensation that can give you almost instant relief from the itch. A word of caution. This is intended for minor, local irritations. If you experience signs of a severe allergic reaction, like difficulty breathing or swelling far from the bite area, seek immediate medical attention. Number 3. For occasional digestive comfort. That fiery sensation of heartburn or acid reflux is literally caused by stomach acid traveling where it doesn't belong. For quick, occasional relief, baking soda can be very effective because it directly neutralizes that excess stomach acid upon contact. Here's how you can use it. Dissolve no more than half a teaspoon of baking soda in a full glass of water and drink it slowly. This can provide rapid relief. But I must stress this. This is for occasional use only. If you experience frequent heartburn, it's a sign that you need to see a doctor to find the root cause. Overusing baking soda can disrupt your body's natural acid production and electrolyte balance. Number 4. For boosting athletic performance. When you're in the middle of an intense workout and you feel that muscle burn forcing you to stop, that's largely due to the buildup of lactic acid. This acidifies your muscles, causing fatigue. Some studies have shown that taking baking soda before a workout can act as a buffering agent, helping to neutralize this acid. This may delay the onset of fatigue, allowing you to perform at a high intensity for a little bit longer. Here's how to do it. About 60 to 90 minutes before a high-intensity workout, you can dissolve a small amount, and I mean small. Start with about a quarter teaspoon in a large glass of water. A critical word of caution here, this practice can cause stomach discomfort for some people. Always start with a very small dose to see how your body reacts, and make sure you are well hydrated. This isn't for a casual jog, it's for high-intensity athletes, and it's best discussed with a sports nutritionist or doctor. Speaking of boosting performance and restoring natural vitality, while baking soda can help with muscle fatigue, I want to take a moment to address a specific concern for many of our male viewers. If you've ever felt like your drive and stamina in the bedroom aren't what they used to be, you are not alone. But before you ever consider risky pills or injections, you need to see this. There is a bizarrely simple, 100% natural home remedy that takes just 7 seconds a day. It's designed to reverse the real scientific root cause of male performance issues, helping you get hard as steel on command and restoring the unstoppable stamina of your youth. For our male viewers who are interested, I've put a QR code on the screen right now. Just open your phone's camera and point it at the code to watch a short, eye-opening video about this breakthrough. If you can't use the QR code, don't worry. I've also put a direct link in the pinned comment below this video for you to watch it right after you finish here. Alright, now let's get back to our list of the incredible benefits of baking soda. The fifth surprising benefit of baking soda is for soothing joint discomfort. This is where the science gets really fascinating. Chronic inflammation is a key driver of pain in conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. Emerging research suggests that drinking a baking soda solution may actually signal to our body to produce a more anti-inflammatory response. It seems to calm down specific immune cells, called macrophages, telling them to switch from a pro-inflammatory state to an anti-inflammatory one. How to use it? A common dose in studies is about half a teaspoon dissolved in a glass of water taken daily. However, and this is incredibly important, you should absolutely consult your doctor before trying this. Because baking soda contains sodium, it can affect blood pressure, which is a major concern. Do not start this regimen without medical guidance. Number 6. For supporting kidney function. This is perhaps the most profound and also the most sensitive application of baking soda. In people with chronic kidney disease, the kidneys lose their ability to remove acid from the blood, leading to a condition called metabolic acidosis. This can accelerate the damage to the kidneys. Multiple studies have shown that sodium bicarbonate therapy can help neutralize this acid, balance the body's pH, and significantly slow the progression of kidney disease. Now, I am not going to give you a how-to for this one, because this should never be attempted at home without a doctor. I can't stress this enough. This therapy must only be done under the strict supervision of a nephrologist or a primary care physician who is closely monitoring your blood work and overall condition. Attempting to self-treat a serious condition like kidney disease with baking soda is extremely dangerous. And finally, number 7, as a natural deodorant. Body odor isn't caused by sweat itself, but by bacteria on our skin breaking it down into acidic byproducts. Baking soda tackles this in 2 ways. It neutralizes those odor-causing acids, and its antibacterial properties help reduce the bacteria population in the first place. Here's how to use it. You can make a paste with a little bit of baking soda and water, or mix it with a bit of coconut oil. Gently apply a very thin layer to your underarms. A quick caution: some people with sensitive skin might find this irritating. It's always best to test it on a small patch of skin first before applying it more broadly. Before we finish, let's recap the golden rules for using baking soda safely. First, and most importantly, always talk to your doctor before starting any new regimen, especially if you are pregnant, have pre-existing conditions like high blood pressure, heart issues, or kidney disease. Second, remember that baking soda is a supportive tool, not a replacement for medical treatment or prescribed medication. And third, more is not better. Stick to small, recommended doses. Overconsumption can lead to serious health problems by disrupting your body's delicate electrolyte and acid-base balance. Respect the powder. So the next time you see that humble box of baking soda in your cupboard, you'll know you're looking at more than just a baker's friend. You're looking at a powerful, science-backed tool for your health, a tool that, when understood and used responsibly, truly is a hidden gem. Now I'm curious to hear from you. Have you ever used baking soda for any of these health reasons? Share your experience responsibly in the comments below. We can all learn from each other. If you found this video helpful and want to uncover more secrets about everyday items, Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Thank you for watching and stay curious.